Hello students, in this class we will study how to find the HCF of given numbers. In the last class we have studied how to find the LCM of given number. You can go through the video, the link has been given in the description box. Okay, we will have two methods. I will write the first method, that is method 1. In this method we will take the three numbers together, that is 72, 18 and 45. These three numbers are taken together. Now we have to divide it with the divisible factor. What is divisible factor? That is, when we divide any number with this number, we have to get the remainder 0. So can we divide it by 2? 72 can be divided by 2 because this is an even number. 18 also can be divided by 2 because it is also an even number. But we cannot divide 45 by 2 because it is an odd number. So we will go to next number, that is 3. Look whether we can divide 72 by 3. Yeah, because 72 is a factor of 3. So we will write it here 3. How many 3's are there in 7? There are 2 3's in 7, giving the remainder 1. So we will write 1 here. So 1, 2 gives 12. How many 3's are there in 12? In 12 there is 4 3's. So we will write 4 here. Next we will write in 18 how many 3's are there? In 18 there are 6 3's. So we will write 3 here. Again in 45 how many 3's are there? In 4 there is 1 3, so we'll write 1 here. Balance will be 1, we'll keep it here. Now 15. In 15 how many 3's are there? In 15 5 3's are there. So we got like this. Again we cannot divide by 2 because 15 is an odd number, so we will divide it again by 3. So unlike LCM, we have to look whether the all number can be divisible. But in LCM, we don't look whether all the numbers are divisible. But in HCF, we have to see whether the three numbers are divisible by the divisible factor. So we will divide it by 3. In 24, how many 3's are there? In 24, there are, how many 3's are there? 8. So we will write 8 here. In 6, how many 3's are there? 2. Then 15, how many 3's are there? 5. So again we got 2 even number and 1 odd number. So we cannot divide it by any divisible factor because this is not divisible by 2, 3, 4. So it is divisible by 5 only, but this is not divisible by 5. It is also not divisible 5. So we got the HCF. This is the HCF. So this is the HCF of the given number. This is so simple. So we will write HCF of which all numbers? 72, 18 and 45 equal to 3 into 3 because this cannot be taken because these are not a divisible factor. So 3 into 3, 9 is the HCF of the given number. Now we will go to the next method, that is second method. Method 2. Okay. In method 2, we will take the numbers separately. First we will take 72 here. So we have to divide it by the divisible factor. As it is an even number, we can divide it by 2. We will divide it by 2. 7 divided by 2 gives 3. Remainder 1. We will keep it 1 here. 12 gives 6. Again we will divide it by 2. 3 divided by 2 gives 1. Remainder is 1. We will write 18 here. Again we will divide it by 2. We will get 9 here. Again we will divide by 3. Again 3. So these are the factors of 72. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Which is the next number? That is 18. We will divide it by 2. Then we will get 9. Again we will divide by 3. We will get 3. So when we divide again it by 3, we will get remainder 1. Sorry, 1. Here also we will get, divided by 3, we will get 1. Okay. Then 45. We will divide the 45 by which factor? Can we divide by 2? No, because after dividing 45 by 2, we will get remainder 1. So we will divide it by 3. So 3. 4 divided by 3 gives 1. Leaving remainder 1 here. So 15. In 15, how many 3's are there? In 15, 5 3's are there. Again, we divide by which number? 3 only. So we will get 5. When divided 5, we will get here 1. So we have taken separately. Now we will write the factors of the each number. That is, we will write the factors of first 72. 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Next, what is the number? 18. It can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Which is the next number? 45. 45 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5. So we have got the factors of each number. Now we will find the HCF. So now we will find the HCF. For HCF, we want the common factor in all the 3 numbers. See whether 2 is there in all 3. In 72, 2 is there. 18, 2 is there. But in 45, there is no 2. Next we will look another number, that is 3. In this 3 is there. In this also 3 is there. In this also 3 is there. So HCF is equal to 3 into. Is there any other number common? Look. Again 3 is there. Again 3 is there. Again 3 is there. We will take these 3 as 1. Again these 3. 3 into. Is there any number? No. 5 is not common in all the 3. 2 is also not common in any other numbers. So nothing is to be multiplied. So we will get the HCF as 9. See, we have got the both HCF as 9. Now, if you have any doubt regarding HCF and LCM, you can ask me through the comment box. In next class, we will study how to add the fraction. Many have the doubt of adding the fraction. We will study that in next class. Okay, thank you.